या यू नो एक्चुअली ये फिल्म जो है पहले किरण जी ने देखी और किरण जी ने इतनी तारीफ की ये फिल्म देख के और मुझसे उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि ये फिल्म आपको देखनी ही देखनी है। तो मैं भी सोचा था कि क्या बनाया सोनाली ने इतना कि इतनी एक्साइटेड थी किरण मुझे दिखाने के लिए। तो मैंने फिर फिल्म देखी और मुझे बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है सोनाली ने और बहुत ही दिल को छू लेने वाली कहानी है। रियली टचेस योर हार्ट। अच्छा, कमाल की बात यह है कि अक्सर मैं अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ तो मुझे कई दफ़ा कुछ लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि हिंदी फिल्मों में तो कई जगह मैं जाता हूँ तो लोगों ने मुझे ये सवाल बार बार पूछा है कि आमतौर पे हिंदी फिल्मों में जो लोग डिफरेंटली एबल्ड होते हैं या इनको हम डिसेबल्ड कहें, डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहें, वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स कभी नहीं होते। आमतौर पे वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम उन पे कहानी नहीं बनाते। लेकिन ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें जो लीड कैरेक्टर है शी इज़ गॉट सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी। जो दूसरी लीड कैरेक्टर है वो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, नज़र नहीं आता उसको। तो इन दो लोगों की कहानी इतनी कमाल की कहानी है और इस फिल्म में इतना होप है। सच ए इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म, इट्स वेरी अपलिफ्टिंग फिल्म। तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि ना सिर्फ ये बहुत ही जज्बाती कहानी है लेकिन आपको यू गेट अप विद द फीलिंग ऑफ यू नो विद अ लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ अपलिफ्टमेंट। वेरी वेरी फाइन फिल्म।
Your directorial debut was also a similar film.
Mine?
Yeah.
Well, not really. I think this film is more bold, more it's saying a different thing. I mean, I think Tare Zameen Par also is a very wonderful film. Script especially that Amol wrote was very 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 sensitive. This is not like that. No, it's different.
But
It's
Shonali,
different.
is some part inspired by Nanavati Murder case also?
I beg pardon.
Nanavati Murder?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing?
Nothing to do with
I
it.
don't know
It's
who
an
that
original
is.
concept. I've been reporting to the...
I don't actually, sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't know who you're talking about.
No, nothing to do with it.
Sir, you've been a very good friend to Kamal Hassan nowadays, but again he's into some trouble saying that...
Oh.
Kamal Hassan, sir.
What trouble?
Sir, you have been friends with him now because recently there was news saying that Amir and Kamal is back friendship. But now, Hindu Vishnu Parishad said that Uttama karke unki movie hai, Uttama villain. So,
Should we talk about this film?
sir, come on. Please.
Let's talk about this.
Shonali, it's coming during the IPL. It is an independent film. IPL is 8 years old now. But is there a sense of competition? Or was it a conscious decision to pick this particular slot to use your film?
Well, it's Viacom 18 who decided what the release dates would be, so I'm sure they keep all these things into consideration. I think you look at more what are the other films coming out at that time, and I think the feeling is that IPL hots up in May, and this is kind of a good time that they felt. Yeah.
आमिर अब रिसेंटली मराठी फिल्म देखने आए थे और मराठी फिल्मों के लिए प्राइम टाइम का दिया था, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड फिल्मों पे कितना असर पड़ेगा अगर प्राइम टाइम मराठी फिल्मों को देना, कितना जरूरी है आपके हिसाब से?
मुझे पता नहीं इसके लिए लॉ बनाने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं। क्योंकि आमतौर पे जो थिएटर्स होते हैं, जो लोग जब कोई ऑडियंस एक फिल्म को पसंद करती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसको शोज़ मिलते हैं। तो आई डोंट नो कि इसके लिए लॉ बनाना ज़रूरी है या नहीं, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली इन सपोर्ट ऑफ रीजनल सिनेमा। और खुशी की बात यह है कि हिंदुस्तान में वाकई रीजनल सिनेमा इतना वाइब्रेंट है, हम अलग अलग भाषाओं में फिल्में बनाते हैं, तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
Also, Shonali is receiving a lot of flack for whatever she said. It was her, expression.
About what?
About
Actually, I have no idea what's happening.
So basically, Shobha Dev had tweeted saying that the government is forcing such sort of rules on us Mumbaikars, and they're forcing us. So they say like it's zabardasti. So that is what she had mentioned in her tweet, for which she got a notice from Shiv Sena and BJP saying that she should write an apology letter. So we would want to know, from Shonali and from you as well, Amir, that how.
यार ये बहुत कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है सोनाली जी ने, और मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं बाकी मुद्दों पे कभी भी बात कर सकता हूँ। ये फिल्म ओवरशैडो हो जाएगी ये सब मुद्दों से, तो आप लोग भी ये फिल्म को सपोर्ट करिए और सवाल मत पूछिए, और 2-4 सवाल इस फिल्म के बारे में पूछिए। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म लोग देखें, इतनी कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है, और आप लोग का भी ये काम बनता है कि आप लोग ऐसी अनयूजुअल फिल्म्स को सपोर्ट करें। है ना?
हमें according to you, what was the best part of this film?
I think the story, the script, the performances. Kalki's done a wonderful job. I think in every department, the script, the film has really shines out. Really shines out. Thank you. Thank you.
At the trailer, we really know that she stepped out of her comfort zone in a way.
I think
we
she
don't
was-
see any actor.
I don't know what you're saying, but my thing is I have known her more than you have. I know she's looked for this role, and this is something she wanted to do more than anything she's done in the past. And I've seen her prepare for it.
Also,
So I'm dying to see it on screen.
also Anurag, you know the recent thing that's been, that's been
Marathi
referenced
films are
yesterday
getting
about the Marathi films and the government made.
It's good, na yaar. Out of 5 screens, one screen, one show of a Marathi film is very good for the regional cinema.
Right. But also at the same time, someone like Shobha Dave who wrote something on Twitter, she's getting notices from.
Yeah, I have no idea about all those things. Other people's business, I have stopped getting into. It's not my business.
Also, Bombay Velvet is in a sense releasing during the IPL. So, can we say that your main protagonist is kind of braving the IPL in a sense this time?
There's nobody, anybody. Our film is coming out at time. It is ready. It should come out, and it's got nothing to do with anything. I think if a film is good, it will work. Whether it's the IPL or the World Cup. We had so many of them that are working during the World Cup.
Honestly speaking, whatever you've done before also, people always speak about it, when in a positive way or in a negative way. When Bombay Velvet का trailer जब भी बाहर आया, people are saying, हाँ, it is not that expected because after the
Yeah, देखो एक दिन film बाहर आएगी ना. For me, I am ready to answer all questions when they see the film. Right? Till then, let anybody say anything they want to do.
But very Johnny Balraj, very Johnny Balraj, you come here.
I have no idea. I'm not his manager.
And how do you plan to promote Bombay Velvet since it's one of the biggest?
I am not
films of
planning. The marketing people are planning it. I am right now still mixing it.
Anurag, you are somebody who fiercely supported independent films. This time during IPL, you will see as many as 4 independent releases.
Very good films coming out.
Time, do you think,
I think it's good time. I feel like IPL is going to scare away the mainstream movies. It's a good time for indie movies to come out. Like Court is coming out, Mortal and the Straw is coming out. 2 of the movies that I'm looking forward to the most are coming out together. And really, I think that 17th, the day that both the films are coming out, is going to be a very good day, a golden day in the history of independent cinema.
So my question is, sir, do you think independent films have now the confidence to take on something like an IPL?
Yes, sir.
Cricket fans?
Nothing, anything can take on the IPL. It's not about. I'm saying if your content is good, you will survive. I mean, IPL 20 ओवर का मैच है ना. एक दिन में एक मैच होता है ना. 3 घंटे देखते हैं ना लोग. बाकी के 21 घंटे क्या करेंगे? छक थोड़ी ना मारेंगे. पीछे देखने जाएंगे ना.
मैंने इस फिल्म के गीत लिखे हैं.
Have you seen it?
ऑफ कोर्स यार.
How many times, sir?
2-3 बार देखे.
So, but, लोगों का response कैसा आ रहा है, sir? With the trailer? Any comment
नहीं,
from Bollywood friends?
मुझे ये फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल से ही पसंद है, तभी इससे मैं जुड़ा हूँ. और मैंने फिल्म अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे देखी. पहले जब आधी तैयार थी तब देखी, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई. तो हर रूप में देखी है. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है. बहुत ही सिंसियरली और ऑनेस्टली, ईमानदारी से बनाई हुई पिक्चर है. और इसमें जो विषय उठाया गया है, वो विषय आपको, वो डेलिकेट विषय है और नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है. उसे किस बारीकी से आप देखिएगा कि सोनाली जी ने हैंडल किया है, वो काबिल तारीफ़ है. और मैं इस फिल्म का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ.
President has a new law being implied that Marathi films should be shown at the multiplexes in the prime time between 6 to 9, one Marathi film. So what do you have to say about this?
देखिए, मुझे तो लगता है रीजनल सिनेमा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए जो भी किया जाए बहुत अच्छा है. और मैंने अभी मुझे उस लॉ का कि पूरा मालूमात नहीं किस तरह से क्या इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाला है. लेकिन जो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है कि क्षेत्रीय भाषा की फिल्मों को प्राथमिकता दी जाए और रीजनल फिल्म्स को बढ़ावा दिया जाए, वो तो अच्छी चीज़ है. उसका अच्छी बात है.
Sir, everybody has an opinion. Shobha Dave had an opinion on this. But now she is asked to apologize about the decision of the
देखिए, वो कहते हैं उस पर मुझे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूँगा। मैं आपको उनका अपना विचार है। मुझे लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ इतनी खूबसूरत भाषाएं हैं इस देश में और मराठी एक बहुत ही समर्थ भाषा है और उसमें जो काम हुआ है वो सिर्फ फिल्मों में नहीं, थिएटर में, कविता के क्षेत्र में और साहित्य के क्षेत्र में इतना अच्छा काम हुआ है, वो लोगों तक सामने लाने के लिए प्रयास तो करना अच्छी बात है।
No, I haven't watched it. Seeing it first time.
The promo?
Yeah. So the promo of this went with PK, no? Love the promos. Very keen to see what happens.
So we recently heard that your film PK has got the highest ticket sales. The party doesn't stop as far as PK is concerned.
All I can say is happiness.
How excited are you when you're going to watch a film like this? How the characters are and entertainment is not big in terms of the message. It's a very hard-hitting film.
See, a good film is not necessarily about entertainment. A good film is about engaging you. If a film can engage you anyway. People watch horror film also not because they want to get scared. So anything which engages you can be a good film. And when I see the trailer looked promising, and Amir has seen it, and Amir has called all of us. And whenever Amir likes a film, I usually I think I have similar taste, so I really want to see it.
So, IPL is still in a sense a big competitor as far as movies are concerned. It has already started, but this year we are seeing as well this more independent films which are releasing this year. Independent films in India now have the confidence to take on something like a movie because the content is kind of going from one level to the next.
See, we are in a country of billion people, so I know a lot of them will be watching cricket, but a lot of them still can go and watch films. And if in the past there have been examples where even during IPL a lot of films have done well. So there's room for everyone, I guess.
Also, Raju, we would really like to know your comments with regards to the Marathi films that will be screened now at the prime time, the rule that's being made recently. So,
अभी इसकी बात करते हैं.
just a reaction.
Otherwise, we'll just start on to everything else. Let's talk about you come for this film.
Just one
So let me see this film and then
Perfect.
we'll talk about it. Better do.
Thank you.
You said that you forced him to just support Sonali, saying that this is one of the finest movies. How did you find it?
It's an excellent film. I mean, I think it's compulsory watching for everyone in this country. I think it's such a sensitively made film, so funny, yet so poignant and emotional. So I think it will connect with anyone who watches the film, and I hope a lot of people go out and watch the film.
But what made you impose your idea saying that आमिर आपको जाके देखनी है movie?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म और मुझे लगा कि आमिर को भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. उनकी टाइप की फिल्म है और इस तरह की फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं जिसमें किरदार ऐसा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिविजुअल है जिसका पर्सनालिटी इतनी खूबी से इन्होंने लिखा है और बाहर आता है. जबकि डिसेबल्ड है लेकिन उनके सोचने के तौर तरीके, उनका जीने में जो मज़ा आता है वो देख के दिल बिल्कुल खुश हो जाता है. और मुझे पता था कि आमिर जिन्होंने सत्यमेव जयते में भी डिसेबिलिटी पे एक एपिसोड किया था, उनको तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा और उनको लगा भी. और आई थिंक ये फिल्म ना सिर्फ हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बहुत सब्जेक्ट इतना ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. हम लोग डिसेबल्ड लोगों को बहुत अलग तरीके से देखते हैं और इस फिल्म से बहुत सीखने को मिलता है. और बिल्कुल मेरे आंखों के सामने से एक पर्दाफाश हो गया. इट वाज लाइक अ रेवलेशन फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक वो उस हिसाब से सबको देखना चाहिए. लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बहुत दिल को छूने वाली बातें और बहुत हंसने के भी मौके हैं इसमें, बहुत फ़नी भी है. तो आई वुड रियली एनकरेज सब लोग बाहर जाके फिल्म देखें. Me and Ayan?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing like that?
No.
Kiran, you are doing a lot for independent cinema. The film is rather than during that period we are seeing as many small independent releases, Margarita included. So if you can tell us.
I feel, you know, it's something that independent films are forced to do, because at least during IPL, you know that very big films won't think of releasing. So it's a release strategy that independent films have adopted, which I have to say has worked in the past, because you know IPL takes time to build up, and sometimes there are people who don't really watch a lot of cricket and would be interested in this kind of cinema. Having said that, I agree with you. It is at the end of the day a bit of a compromise. You're pitching it against IPL, and that's not a small thing in any case. We don't have much of a choice, and I feel until we create many more screening options for independent films, we'll be forced to do this. But we'll take it. I mean, I think all of us independent filmmakers need venues, we need exhibition, and you know, whatever good, you know, options we get, we will take. So I think it's a question of doing the best we can under the circumstances.
What are your views on Marathi films getting prime time at multiple as well?
Well, I'm kind of ambivalent about it. I have to say I haven't read what has been written about it so far. I've just kind of heard, so I don't feel like commenting very strongly about it. I think I do think that Marathi cinema does need you know, space, and like independent films, it is jostling for space in the mainstream, and this is bound to happen because the larger number of audiences go out to watch Hindi films. Having said that, I feel it might be quite restrictive if it's an enforced law, and I think I think in this day and age it's hard to kind of force this onto an exhibition system, just like forcing independent films, for instance, will be unfair on an exhibition system. So while I understand why, I understand the pressures, I don't know if this is the best way to do it. Oh, I have no idea about that actually. I've not been reading about it. I just feel that a lot of kinds of cinema do need support. But whether, you know, forcing an exhibition system to do it is the right way, I don't know. I don't have the answer to that.
किरण, आमिर हमेशा नए लोग और नए लोग को बनाते रहते हैं, चैलेंज चाहते हैं. आप इस फिल्म के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I don't think he's fully there yet. अभी तो वो काफ़ी on the way हैं to the final look. पर हमने जो टेस्ट देखे हैं ऑफिस में, ही इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड, और ये कैरेक्टर, ये कहानी बहुत स्पेशल है, और आई थिंक उनका वो जो किरदार बना रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी नया है उनके लिए.
Nothing to do with the new trend. I love Mogras, and I thought the only way of having the perfume is by wearing it.
Oh, very good one. Have you watched the trailer, sir? How did you find it?
You haven't watched it?
No, I have not watched it yet. I'm going to watch the film.
Thank you.
Shabana ma'am, Javed sir, also we would want to know from you that with the new law that is being made regarding Marathi cinema that's going to be showcased during the prime time, what is your reaction from the both of you?
I think out of five screens, if on one screen, one Marathi picture is shown 6 to 9, that is not end of the world. There is no problem with that. But I believe that this is not enough. Marathi cinema is progressing on its own, no thanks to anybody. They have made wonderful films recently. Recently, Court has come, and so many pictures like Shwas and so many films. But the government should, at the same time, from 6 to 9 show, they should exempt entertainment tax also. That is how they will help. Not only putting it in 6 to 9 show, but the government should not take any entertainment tax. One. Besides that, I believe that government has asked the multiplex to do this, but what they are doing themselves, they should make small theatres for Marathi pictures in all the talukas of Maharashtra, where the film should be shown and no Marathi film should be charged entertainment tax.
Right. Shabana ma'am, your reaction to the same?
I haven't read the law, so I cannot really comment on it. I think it is heartwarming that the government feels that we should encourage Marathi cinema, because Marathi cinema is doing extremely well and all cinemas can do with a little help from the government. But I really have to read the law before I can really say the pros and the cons.
Right, but Swaran ma'am, also the government is actually upset with Shobha Devi, who commented saying that it's actually forcefully enforced on the people of Maharashtra, that something of this sort of thing made.
I don't think we are here to comment on other people's
One should not, people in a free society, people will have all kinds of opinions and there is no need to get upset about it. But the government has asked the multiplexes to do something for Marathi cinema. I am asking the government to do something for themselves also by exempting them by entertainment tax. 6 to 9 Marathi film, no entertainment tax.
First, I'm watching it for the first time. Very excited. Amir sir has personally invited me, so I was like, I have to come and see this movie for sure. Hearing some really good things about it, so I'm going to go now. I think it's going to start very soon. That's really nice to hear. I think she's a terrific actress. So looking forward to seeing her again. So yeah.
Also, Shraddha, there's a new law being enforced by the government saying that the Marathi film should be showcased in multiplexes from 6 to 9 p.m. and that's like a compulsory thing that's been made. How would you react to that as an actor?
I've actually not heard about this also, so I wouldn't be able to comment on this. I think it's correct to comment on something only when you're well informed about it, so I'm not aware of it.
It's actually quite simple. In every multiplex from the 6 to 9 slot,
yeah,
the prime time, there will be a Marathi film that has to be showcased.
It's cool. I think it's great. I mean, if that is, I'm half Maharashtrian also, so I'm all for Marathi cinema. And fingers crossed, one day even I'll do a Marathi film. I mean, I think that'd be interesting also.
So how's ABC shaping up now?
Really good. It's made me all slim and trim, and going to see the promo. Really, 24th of April, the promo is going to be out. So hope you guys enjoy. See you guys. Thank you.